Welcome back. In the previous videos, we covered the major areas of data testing, from completeness and accuracy to migration and regression testing. Now, let us bring everything together and look at where AI genuinely adds value in data testing and where traditional rules are still the better choice. AI becomes most useful when the problem cannot be completely expressed as a fixed pass or a fail rule. We have identified 6 areas where AI can make sense. AI can complement the rule-based automation. First is patterns. As we know, AI spots the unusual shapes, volume drops, drift, or repeated mismatch patterns. And AI can help when there is an uncertainty, useful where there is no perfect rule, such as fuzzy matching between the names. AI can help in the prediction. AI can help anticipating the SLA breaches or capacity issues before failure occurs. AI can help in the prioritization, like ranking the anomalies or failures based on risk and business impact. AI can help in the generation, especially the edge cases, or drafting the script so that the manual effort will come down. AI can help in the diagnosis, like helping the grouping of the failures and point towards any likely root causes. So the most important takeaway from this is AI should amplify the judgment, not obscure a simple rule that already solves the problem. Keep that in mind. So finally, taking you to the conclusion of this particular topic, the modern data testing is strongest when each layer does the job it is best suited to do. Like the first is traditional method. Traditional method brings business understanding and human judgment. Then the rule-based automation layer perform the any deterministic checks consistently and repeatedly. The most recent one, which is creating a lot of buzz, AI assistance layer. AI assistance layer helps where fixed rules are not enough, like determining the patterns, prediction, prioritization, and diagnosis. So the future of data testing is not human versus AI. It is human judgment plus deterministic automation plus AI assistance. And the rule is beautifully simple. The known expectation, automate with the rules. If there are any unknown patterns, uncertainty, and future risk, consider using the AI. Finally, to conclude, if you like to remember only one sentence from this entire video, remember this. Rules validate the known. AI helps discover the unexpected. And if you remember only one sentence from this entire playlist, remember this. Rules validate the known. Rules validate the known. AI helps discover the unexpected.
That's all for now. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Thank you.